Hello and welcome to this week's webcast. In recent months, sentiment indicators based on corporate surveys have improved markedly around the world. This is especially true of the Global Purchasing Managers Index. Does it herald a spurt of growth for the global economy? We don't think so. Let's start with China. The fact that sentiment among Chinese purchasing managers has improved so much since last spring probably does not mean sustained stronger growth. Rather, it is a sharp rise in house prices that has given the construction industry a short breather. However, the authorities have tightened the requirement for home buyers, so the house price increases will probably slow down. The serious problems affecting the Chinese economy will soon become visible again. Above all, the large debt of overinflated state-owned enterprises, which are sapping the strength of healthy private businesses. Now to the US. The US Purchasing Managers Index has likely-wide improved markedly, but this largely reflects an overdue reassessment of the country's growth outlook. At the start of last year, there were widespread doubt about the validity of the low unemployment rate. Yet over the course of the year, wage growth began to accelerate. This convinced many pessimists. Meanwhile, survey-based leading indicators have probably risen too much. Many investors have too high hopes for Trump's economic policy. In the eurozone, the sentiment indicators have also risen strongly. This is due partly to improved sentiment with the trading partners the US and China. But this cannot last long. Secondly, the higher eurozone sentiment indicators show that the ECB's policy of easy money is trickling through more and more to the real economy. The ECB is covering up the eurozone's outstanding problems better than ever. So in part, the rise in sentiment indicators points to higher growth in the eurozone. However, the ECB will probably still not raise interest rates this year on account of the high debt levels of the eurozone's southern members. Thanks for listening. For more details, please see the Week in Focus.